William Ruto yore nyasi ma prochiko gaboro mag piem mag wende kod tuke mag miyo ji mor mag sikunde. Nyasi mobagie kajot ma jatend piny e kaunti ma Bungoma. Wawinjane kaka nyasi no dhi nyime.
One, that it is important to have a concerted effort towards the growth of creative economy. These children have also learned that it's important to come together as a nation. We are talking about one nation, and we're talking about national cohesion. Your Excellency, during this entire period, we have also learned that CBE, competency-based education, is working in Kenya. Because this Kenya Music Festival we are talking about is the nexus, is the connection between theory taught in class and the practice that we have seen here today. Truly, CBE is working in Kenya. Your Excellency, the President, wewe ni baba yetu. Tumekuja kwako baba wetu. So, Your Excellency, tuko na ombi moja mbili. Financing of this whole program requires quite a bit of money. We have already discussed this with Your Excellency. May you find favor to just grant us a budget line to be able to run this activity in the days to come. And Your Excellency, sir, it's also very important that there are people here and outside, who have worked very hard. And wangependa tu mtu akishaandika jina yake, jina ikiisha kama Frederick Ngala Kalausi, anaongeza hapo HSC, anaongeza hapo OGW kidogo. Your Excellency, wanaomba sana. Now, having said that, allow me to read this. I wish to thank you in person for supporting us. So far, we have promoted